This is Brittany with WTI, bringing you my favorite blanket to snuggle up in. So this leopard fleece blanket is the absolute softest, okay? And the soft level is exactly the same on both sides. Huge win for me because then I don't have to consciously be like, oh, what side is on me? No, they're both fantastically soft and equal. Okay, but I love using this as a travel blanket. It is a fairly thin material. Some blankets can be pretty thick. It's fairly thin and yet a very nice level of warmth and good for all seasons. So I love it because it really does fold up fairly small since it is nice and thin, and it's great for travel. I take it in my carry-on. I'll take it on road trips. I even love to just cover my face with it at night and snuggle my face into it because it's so soft. That's how amazing this blanket is. I absolutely love it. I can't live without it. And that's my point of view.